If you look at the statistics that are on the screen, this is what buyers are saying. They are quitting their buying journey because of incorrect, inaccurate product information, outdated product information, because the catalog is or the site is very difficult to navigate. And in some cases, the catalog is not in a preferred language. And anytime this happens, it directly impacts the, the inquiries and the sales on your website. So it has a direct impact on the company profits, on the company sales. And if you look at this in one if you had to summarize this problem in one single line, it points to just one piece, which is problems with product catalog. Everything that you look at the screen, the product information isn't correct, the product tags aren't correct, the product photos maybe not be correct. So product information management and its accuracy is one of the most popular challenges that e-commerce businesses are facing. Now you must be wondering, if this is such a big problem, why is it still out there? Why are people still struggling with this? Three simple reasons. It's extremely time consuming. And these are some stats from IDC and Forrester. Manual catalog management requires business to spend close to 500 hours of one employee on managing product catalog. That's huge. And the more extensive your catalog gets, this just has to double up. It's expensive. On an average, companies spend $1 million US dollars per year on just manual product catalog management. And once you tally the first and the second, it becomes extremely difficult to scale. So the bigger your catalog, the bigger problems, the bigger it's more expensive, more time consuming. You don't know what to do. So what you do is you somehow manage with your existing way of doing things, whatever you can figure out, you keep doing that, because not everybody can afford this cost. And even if the large companies can afford, it's really expensive.